Hello everyone, welcome to the show Three Men and a Mic, and today we have the three of us, Anish, Sumit, and myself, Akarsh, doing this podcast. Say hi, everyone.
Hi,
Yeah, hi guys.
hi to all listeners.
Okay, do you have coffee, guys? Because we are actually recording around 5 o'clock right now, guys. So, you guys had coffee?
No, I don't drink coffee.
No,
You not drink coffee?
yeah, I mean, I don't drink coffee.
Okay. If
I
you
drink only Complan or chocolate Horlicks.
okay,
I only eat Horlicks. That's
okay.
it
So
in a
with the
bowl.
Horlicks or Complan, did you have
Yeah.
Marigold biscuit or you had you know what good day biscuit or Oreo? What's yours?
No. See,
Nothing.
so much money I don't have for Oreo and all. I just used Parle G.
Parle
I
G.
have my milk with
Yeah, I
Parle
use
G.
like 2 rupees biscuit. I don't even know what crack jack.
Correct.
Yeah.
Or Mari Light.
Um,
I'll have Mari Light because the actual Mari is too much for me. So Mari Light I'll have.
Mari light. Okay. Okay.
yeah.
But with Horlicks and biscuit, today, right? Today is one of the interesting days because today we have India versus New Zealand Test series going on right now,
Yeah.
and
hmm
what do you guys think about it, guys? You have chai and you have biscuits, and then you are watching the match. So, what do you think? Who will win, or will it be a draw? What do you guys think?
See, as
See,
of
before
now,
recording, yeah.
yeah, as of now, see, India has a lead of 100 runs. Okay, and this is the sixth day of a 5-day test match. Okay,
And its second session started
okay,
right
this
now.
is the sixth day of a 5-day test match. I don't know. There's something. I think India and New Zealand are cursed in in
England.
England because even in the World Cup finals, World Cup semi-finals, sorry, they played a one day match over 2 days. Today they're playing a
Yeah.
5-day test over 6 days.
And that too, they didn't play the whole 5 or 6 days.
Yeah,
Today is actually the fourth playing
yeah.
day. Like,
It's like
what I mean, right?
they played only 4
It's
days
actually
of
three
match.
and a half because bad light they just called off.
Yeah.
So you
So
think
there's something.
India can
There's something.
score, or you think they can come to a draw, or you think New Zealand will like the second innings New Zealand will come and play like T20 in Test and then win. What do you guys think?
I hope they don't, but then I think that's their strategy to make India out, like within this
So what's the score
session.
right now? Like when we were recording
They,
right now, can anyone say what's the score?
See, as of now, India is leading by 100 runs. Okay, and Rishabh
yeah,
Pant and Ravindra
Jadeja.
Jadeja are batting,
Mm-hmm.
both left-arm batsmen.
See, they can. Okay, Rishabh Pant has proven he's a good batsman in Australia.
Yeah, he was a good batsman in
So
Australia, and today he is playing decently. I think he's the highest scorer today for India.
So you think Rishabh Pant
yeah.
will score a
Yeah,
lot more runs, and India can go for a draw?
No, they should just stick around. Okay, runs. I don't think it's required now. They just need to stick
So you
around.
think there should not
yeah,
be a fall of wicket, and that too like Rishabh Pant, like one of the main guys for India right now, right?
Yeah, because the next batsman coming in is Ashwin, Ravichandran Ashwin. He's the last batsman, and then bowlers come in.
yeah,
So
and I think the only way India can win is if the bowlers do some magic.
yeah, there's no Mian magic playing today.
Hey,
Yeah,
why Mohammad Siraj? There could be Mohammad Magic.
yeah.
No, sorry, Mohammad
No,
Shami.
they call him.
Yeah, yeah.
Mohammad Shami.
Yeah, Mohammad Shami.
Yeah, I feel
Yeah,
Siraj
he
should have
took
been
four
in the team.
wickets last in. Yeah,
Do you
instead
think
of
do you
Bumrah.
think the rain actually spoiled the match, like the first 2 days?
The match, yeah, completely.
You think they should have
Maybe
scheduled it at a different venue, like Southampton?
Yeah,
different
yeah,
England. It's a different country. Why England?
England is
yeah. They could have kept it in South Africa or someplace.
Yeah, or Sri Lanka.
why
Yeah,
Sri
cause see,
Lanka?
Somewhere else.
I don't know why
No,
they're
I know.
keeping ICC events every time during like during June, July in England when they know it's going to rain there for sure.
Rain. Yeah. Even Kevin Peterson said that it was a very bad decision Like he is from UK. I'm just telling.
Yeah, everyone knows that it's going to rain in England at this time of the year.
Yeah, but I think it's because cricket was popularized in England, so it's like the home for that sport.
Yeah, yeah.
See, that is there, okay, that is there. But then to get a result, we need to be practical, no?
Maybe the other locations were
Or-
afraid of
Connection.
COVID because Indians. There's a lot of cases in India, so they were afraid to even.
Yeah, that's also there. In UK, it's like reduced a lot.
Or you might never know. What if India starts playing badly from the second session, and the match might be completely in favor of New Zealand, and thanks to the rain and there being
Rain.
very less time for
Or
them to
bad
make the
lighting.
score. Yeah,
Draw.
thanks to the weather, India might just be saved from losing.
But
See, the first day,
tell me,
yeah,
tell me.
the first day, like Indian fans were like, the rain ruined, our chances. But then now they're praying, God, that let it rain, or bad light, no, something like that should happen
But what do you think? The
for
night
India to win
test is it good? Is it good?
or
Like
draw the
it's
match.
something new right now. Playing tests at night.
Yeah, day night. No, yeah, night.
Day and night test.
Yeah, day and night. Is it good? Do you think it's something unique? Is it viable? Like do you actually want to play in that condition?
See, I feel that day and night test, that kind of changing the tradition of test cricket where it's played from morning to
evening for
uh, morning to evening, just before dusk. And I feel like this pink ball test, day night is kind of changing that tradition. So I feel that they should have kept
The
it the way it
classics,
is.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Or at least there being only one day and night match in every series. I think that's acceptable, because the rest of the series, you're having proper the traditional test cricket happening.
So you think traditional test cricket is actually better than day and night, or you think? I think the change is good.
See,
And
tradition.
it's good. The only constant is change. So I think change is good, and as a sport, even it should evolve. And you think that evolving, the sport, evolving, is it good, or is it just like the traditional way of playing test?
See, they were always the game has evolved. First they had only this 5-day test, now one day, then T20, now even T10 for some reason. So yeah, see, the game is changing obviously, and people are accepting the different
Rules or
different versions of the game. Yeah, different versions of the game. People are accepting the different versions of the game. But this is becoming, they're trying to modify the same version of the game. Like in future probably you'll have different records for pink ball test and different records for red ball test. Like maybe down the lane for like 10 years from now, people will like now how we have players who play T20 better than test, or some players who play test better than one
Yeah,
day.
yeah.
In future you might have people like, oh, he plays pink ball test better than red ball test. So it's like modifying
But,
one version of the cricket, whatever there is now, one version of the
Yeah,
format.
and there are some, like if there is, like bad lighting or something like that, a day night test will be ruined compared to a normal test where I think the tests end at 4:30 or 5, right?
Yeah.
Like a normal test, yeah.
usually at
So I don't
4:30,
think, yeah, the lighting won't matter. And I think I think people like, to watch. Less people go to watch test cricket anyways. I think people might go for day night test more because it starts in the afternoon, and after like 3-4 hours the sun goes down, so people won't have so much trouble watching the match
Yeah. And
if it's too sunny or something.
And anyhow, we could discuss all we want, but I think the players themselves, are finding it, nice and challenging, because it's like a different, there is varying difficulty with the pink ball, right?
Alright, okay. Okay, so but cricket is not the only thing that's excited this time. We had a lot of movies as well which came out this week. What do you guys think about the movies which came out this week? You guys know, like you
This
guys
week.
follow movies,
Hmm.
Bollywood, guys?
Were there any new Bollywood movies that came out this week? I think there were a few
This week.
No,
announcements.
Well,
we had Salman Khan. We had Radhe come out this month. That is.
This month no, okay. I don't know who watches Salman Khan movies nowadays.
I haven't watched Radhe.
You don't watch that.
I've,
And
no, I've just heard it's very bad.
yeah,
There was whole
I
this
heard-
controversy,
Like,
where people scolded that it's one of the worst movies Salman Khan has ever made.
Yeah, it's the worst IMDb rated movie, no?
Yeah,
If I'm
yeah.
not wrong.
Yeah, like completely bad reviews. See, the only Salman Khan movie that that like come out in the last 5 years or something, which I've liked is
Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
Yeah, Bajrangi Bhaijaan. It is a nice story, and I feel Salman Khan did a good job in presenting
Yeah.
that
After
role.
that, it was just a downfall.
Yeah.
See, I don't know why. Okay, every Salman Khan movie works.
It's just his huge fan
has-
following. I don't know what he has.
Yeah.
See, it's always this fake portrayal of this macho man, who
Yeah, one
who
man
can do
army.
everything. Yeah, one man army where
Yeah.
he's physically fit. Also, he's the strongest person around and the smartest.
CGI fit.
Yeah, smartest person around. Apparently, they had apparently his six packs were CGI in the film.
Yeah, it
In
was.
Radhe.
It was very yeah. See,
Damn.
and even the VFX.
The
Yeah.
VFX is really-
I read that the last, the climax scene. See, the red chilies were were the
Yeah.
group.
Yeah, Red
the
Chillies
one
is
with
kind of like
company,
the
right?
Yeah, Red Chillies is kind
Yeah,
of
for
like
VFX.
the biggest VFX
VFX
company in
company.
India, right? Even they did for Krish and all.
No.
Yeah, even Zero.
Yeah, Zero, I think is the one.
Even-
So why would Krish get? Red Chillies
No,
did
no,
not
yeah.
create Krish. What?
No, if you watch Krish 3 in the ending, they give credit to Red Chillies VFX.
Oh, how that? Good.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I think even on Red Chillies VFX YouTube channel, they show like the breakdown of Krish 3 VFX and all.
But I got to know that Red
Yeah.
Chillies actually worked on Zero and actually got the award for the best VFX as well for the movie.
Yeah, because
Even they
Red
got
Chillies is
best
owned
award
by
for
Shah Rukh
Trishul.
Khan, no? Red Chillies is owned by Shah Rukh Khan.
Hmm.
So yeah, obviously it'll work on Zero.
Hmm. But talking about this Macho Man, Anish, you were talking about like Samant Khan was put as a Macho Man and he can do everything. Whom do you think, or which movie do you think other than other than Salman Khan or his movies, other than that, which movie do you think would fit the same criteria?
Yeah, which glorified this macho man and all.
Yeah.
This has already been in controversy like for a long time, and I think people are still talking about it. It should be Kabir Singh, which
Yeah,
came out like a few
agree,
years ago.
Agree.
But it was
See,
a remake, right, from Arjun Reddy.
Yeah, Arjun Reddy, Kabir Singh, same thing. It was a shot for shot remake, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
even the
just
director
different
was
actor.
saying
Yeah, different actor, different language. That's all. But yeah, so
they just wanted the story, to be more popular. I think
yeah. See,
because it's
Yeah.
Bollywood and money. Yeah.
yeah, so it just glorifies a wrong kind of personality in the society. These are the kind of people who should not be allowed to do whatever he's doing in the movie completely. Like he gets angry, he has very short temper, he gets angry at people easily. Just screams around, and people back down, and they don't do it. They don't act against whatever he's whatever wrong he's doing in the entire
Yeah,
movie.
even they don't if he commits a crime also, people are just watching.
Yeah, see, so they show a lot of how abusive he is. Just he loses his temper at something very small, and he starts abusing people, and that's something that's being wrongly glorified in the entire movie. See, I have nothing against the movie or the actor. I feel that the character and the story revolving the character should be something people should be responsible about while writing.
Do you think that because it was taken from a South Indian movie, South Indian movies are mostly made for masala, and it's mostly the commercialized, movies which actually run in South India. Do you think
No,
if
even
they
in
are actually
Bollywood, that's
adapting, or if they are adapting from the South Indian movie, they should have changed some parts of it to make sure that the Bollywood fans would also get what they wanted? Or do you think just because they adapted the scene, like scene to scene, shot to shot the same, it did not work out for Kabir Singh?
see even in Bollywood, okay, masala films work. Like we talked Radhe. I think
But
if it
Radha
had
did
like
not work.
released
I don't think
in
Radha worked.
theaters. No, in theaters, I'm pretty sure 100 crores is like would be easy for
Yeah,
that film.
I feel that Kabir
Imagine.
Singh was commercially a success. It made lots of money, no?
Yeah, it was.
In box
Yeah,
office.
it made around 350 crores or something. No, if like odd 350 odd or
Yeah.
400 near 400
It
crores.
made a
It
lot
just,
of money.
yeah.
See, the thing is, see, irrespective of the language or something, it's been a tradition in India. From before also they show this macho man who can do everything and is everything, and nobody is
Yep.
like nobody stands against him or something. Because in reality, if there is a person, if someone, if I'm like Kabir Singh or someone who has low temper, who has very small short temper, and just goes around screaming at people and abusing people, there'll be someone, if I go to a restaurant or something and start abusing someone, maybe my own friend or someone, there'll be another person who will try to discipline me, who will first like tell me why you're doing this, then they'll raise their temper. That's how most of the fights happen in India. All these fights circulating around on Facebook and Instagram and all. There'll be one person who thinks, okay, he's a macho man, but then another person is there to discipline him.
See,
Eventually,
I just
okay,
think
both
the
of them
portrayal
end up
the
in
character
jail,
was
but
wrong. Right.
huh?
I just think the portrayal of the character, or how they showed it, or how they did not fully show how he changed a lot. It was just that
Yeah, yeah.
he's there, but it just
Yeah,
happened. Something good
see, the
happened at last.
character didn't
That's it.
adapt properly to time. He didn't change.
Yeah, see, they're showing how a person is not changing at all, no matter what is happening. He's going through such a bad, he's going through such a bad phase in his life. He fails with his lover, and she leaves him, and then he
Depression
gets
again.
to, yeah, then he switches because of that. Then he gets into drug abuse, and he becomes an alcoholic. And no matter how, I think people try to offer him help also, but he refuses because he can't get back his girlfriend or something. So that keeps on happening, and so they're showing that a person will not change no matter what the circumstances. And he's the kind of person who they should show, at least in the movie, that you should not be like this person.
But won't that be like
Yeah,
a
wait,
lovey-dovey
was
thing?
there a disclaimer or something?
No, not
Huh?
disclaimer. Like, okay, do you think it's like what you are expecting? Isn't it like a lovey-dovey thing? Like, always the main character should change. Like, whenever he feels like a villain or something, he should change to be this kind of this idealistic man. He should give up drinking and smoking, and then he should go to his father and apologize, and then are you thinking like an idealistic view of the character? Like, that's what I
No,
think.
no. See,
You're
see. Obviously, okay, it's a fictional story. Yes, okay. You can't, expect everything to be realistic. But some parts of it, okay. So some parts of it, maybe. See, like nowhere in the movie where he starts, he raises his voice or screams at someone. Nobody, nobody scolds him back, or nobody stands
Yeah,
against
people
him
are just
back.
scared of him.
Yeah. How can like that's not completely realistic, no.
okay.
I'm not asking you, okay, you to tell this normal story, realistic story. Okay, what he abuses, he goes through drug abuse and all, but then he goes through, he goes through a bad time, then suddenly
Chain
it becomes a
smoking,
good time.
alcohol.
Yeah.
So he's gone through all the fuck ups in his life, and he just, he can't be a changed person or something like that. The change should be like a very drastic change. You're not expecting a drastic change, but what you're expecting
Yeah.
is a little bit of, realism. like
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
somewhat
see, it
circumstantial.
is
Yeah.
it,
Okay.
it's it, this is better than normal, Bollywood stereotype movies. Okay,
Yeah,
but
I would
then
agree.
yeah, some tweaking
True. See,
could have been
see here.
there.
See, I have nothing against how well. See, Shahid Kapoor has done a good job in portraying the
Yeah,
role. His acting was very good, and probably the BGM and
the
the
music,
direction and production was
BGM,
all good.
the
Just
songs.
that one
Yeah,
part of the movie, which I feel should be a bit more responsible
yeah,
towards society. Because see, that was the problem. No, so many people had with the movie. They're like, Bollywood has a huge influence on the society, and if people make movies like this, then it will have an impact on people who are probably in their teens, or who get
in the same
easily
state,
influenced by
maybe.
movies. Yeah,
Yeah, in the same state. Like, what if the person, like, is inspired by this guy, follows the same thing?
yeah,
Like Manoj Bajpayee, he did say about like he was asked by an interviewer that if you had a chance to do Kabir Singh, would you do it? And he actually said yes, I would do it, but
yeah. He would
he
do.
said that
Yeah, he told he
yeah.
would do a movie like Kabir Singh, and that Bollywood is not responsible for how the society behaves. But yeah, there's a, there's two
That
sides
is
of the
a.
coin.
But then, like, do actually people, like, follow?
Like
Like,
so you're saying Sumit, you're saying that
people.
Bollywood or movies and such is like a mirror of society. Is that what you're saying?
No, no, no.
Then what do you think?
See, people. See, for example, people. Okay, they worship actors. Like, they put flowers and all in on the, like, posters.
That's such a South Indian
So
thing to do.
even if
It's like only South India it happens. Have you ever seen like people who actually put flower garlands and put they do that they do the abhisheka with that
no, I haven't
milk
seen.
and also that's such a South Indian thing, I think. Like it
Yeah,
happens most in
No,
South
not
India,
that, but people do worship. No, that's why Salman Khan is making so much money, because no matter how bad his movies are, people go watch it. No.
Yeah, that's why it's running like 100 crores. But then, see, people get inspired. Okay, you can't tell that no, they won't 100%. They won't get inspired. They do.
Okay.
And then what if a person takes up the same thing what Kabir Singh did, bad influence in their own lives.
Yeah, see, they put
I
a,
don't
they
know.
put a disclaimer before the movie telling, okay, this is a fictional story. This is happened in any life. There's no relation to anyone, real or
Coincidence,
living
not
or dead
responsible.
related to this. Yeah. So then they should also put a disclaimer that you should not, be influenced. Someone like Kabir Singh.
If they put also people, they don't care. At least Indians, I know.
Yeah. End of the day, it's just a drama movie where some masala
Yeah.
is there, people watch it and they forget about it.
So
I
I
haven't
think
watched it yet. Yeah.
so I think it's time to end. It's time we go wada to the end. Thank you guys for watching. Not watching,
Wow,
but
wow.
listening.
Yeah,
Until
yeah.
next time, guys. Next podcast. I think next week maybe. I don't know. And then peace and keep smiling, guys. Bye.